Hi, good
Good
evening.
evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also doing good, Sunita.
Okay.
So, before
I'm
we
so
proceed,
happy to talk to you.
same here,
Okay.
Sunita. See, I was so happy when I saw that you are from Nepal. So,
Yeah.
it gives us immense pleasure when we speak to the people who are from other countries.
When I saw you first time, when I saw your video first time, that time only I decided that I must talk to you at least once. So,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sunita. So, before we proceed, can you please tell me something about yourself?
okay, my name is Sunita. I live in Kathmandu and I'm a teacher. I teach preschool students, and due to this coronavirus, all the schools are closed. So we are taking online classes, Zoom classes.
Yes, same here, same. So, you are from Kathmandu.
Yes, I live in Kathmandu and
Yeah.
I've been living here for the past 5 years, like 5, 6
Oh,
years.
that's so great. Actually, I think Kathmandu is very beautiful city.
Yeah, the
This is the
weather
capital of
here is
Nepal.
very, yes, yes.
Yes. So tell me something about Kathmandu.
Okay, Kathmandu here, the weather is good. I like weather here. It's not very cold and it's very cold, like it's not very hot, like it's
Okay.
good. I like weather, it's natural beauty is here. Greenery, you can see mountains all around.
Yes. Actually, I think Nepal is surrounded by Himalayas.
Yes.
Yes.
Many
So
places
nice.
you see mountains.
Yes.
And,
Tell me something
okay,
about your culture, your attire, your festivals.
okay. Uh, frankly speaking, I don't know much about Nepal because I have been raised to India.
Oh, you are
I
from
did my
India.
schooling.
Wow.
I did my
Which part of India?
in many places. My dad had a transferable job, so
Okay.
we were always on move. So we were not stick to a particular place. In one place, in some 4 years, in other places 2 years, like that. We were always on. So after marriage, I came. I am settled here, Nepal.
Okay, that's great. So basically, you are from India only?
Somewhat, like you can say.
Okay. So you are from Northeast India?
No, Northeast India. No. From Mumbai, Goa. I've been to Goa, Mumbai, Kerala, Delhi for 2 years, like that.
Okay. So you used to move from one place to another.
Yes. After marriage, I'm stick here in
Okay. So
Kathmandu.
how do you find Kathmandu? Is Kathmandu is more beautiful than Mumbai and Goa? How will you differentiate between these two cities?
It's somewhat like Mumbai only, because Mumbai is very populated, right? Very populated, crowded.
Yes.
So Kathmandu is a big city. So here Kathmandu is also, it's populated, quite populated, and traffic is also crowded. But due to Corona, and now it's all silent everywhere. Otherwise, it's somewhat like Mumbai. You can say Mumbai, Delhi, populated as well as crowd.
So in 2015 also you were in Nepal, because I think in 2015 a devastating earthquake struck to Nepal.
Yeah, I was there. But that time I was living in near to Pokhara, so we were not much affected by this earthquake. In Kathmandu, in many areas, it had affected.
Yes, because in that earthquake,
But
I
we
think
felt the.
yes, that
But
was
we
very devastating.
experienced that. Yeah. But we experienced the this
That
what you
movement
call.
you experienced there only.
Yes. I experienced that time, first time that.
Yes. But in that earthquake, I think many of the people lost their lives as well, and yes, it was very dangerous. And I think still Nepal is suffering from that earthquake.
Aftermath.
So other
But
than
by
English,
God-
what all language you can speak?
Other than English, I can speak Hindi and Nepali, but Hindi now it has become little down because after marriage I have been speaking more Nepali.
Yes,
So,
yes, because you are surrounded by
Hmm.
Nepali people, so obviously you will be
Nepali
speaking
people, yes.
Nepali.
So
Okay.
nowadays, my sister, they are still in India. So
Okay.
whenever I have to speak to them, I find it little difficult in Hindi. I don't know.
Okay.
So
Because now
Yeah.
you are not in habit of speaking Hindi. That's why.
it has
Yes.
totally cut off. In my family, everybody speaks Nepali, and most of the people here speak Nepali language.
Nepali language.
So,
Yes, yes, yes. So you know Nepali from your childhood only, or you have learned Nepali?
I knew Nepali from childhood, but when I was in India, I used to speak Hindi more.
Okay.
That time I didn't know Nepali much. But after coming, but I knew Nepali little bit. I used to speak with mom and dad little bit, not much.
Okay.
The fluency was not there when I was in India,
Oh,
because there were surrounded by Indian people in school, college, teachers also. So Indian. So
yes.
after coming in here in Nepal, so I was surrounded by Nepali, so Nepal language. So
Yes, yes,
so
yes.
I got the habit of speaking Nepali
Nepali only.
more of
Yeah,
Nepali. Yes.
yeah. So Nepali is an easy language or it's a tough one?
It's easy. It's more somewhat like a Hindi always.
Okay.
Here and there little
Oh.
means they can easily pick up Nepali, and Nepali people also can easily pick up Hindi language. It's
So
only depend on
Nepali
your
people also
fluency.
speak Hindi? They also speak Hindi?
Yeah, many.
Oh.
Yeah, they can understand, they can speak little bit, not very fluent like Nepali, means not fluently like their mother tongue, but they can easily speak, means they can understand, they can pick up.
Yes. And I think for traveling in Nepal, Indians don't need visa as well.
No, don't need.
Yes, is it?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. This is very nice. What will we say? Nice bonding between Nepal and India. Like
Yes,
whosoever
ma'am.
want to travel Nepal or India, they can travel.
Yes, ma'am. They can
Yes,
travel
yes.
anytime.
So since long you are teaching, Sunita?
I've been teaching for the last 3 years.
3 years.
Preschool, 3 years. Yeah, preschool.
Okay. Okay. And what are your hobbies?
Okay, I love teaching.
Oh.
And I don't have any such particular hobbies, but I love dancing also a little bit. I do, means before lockdown I had joined dancing classes also, but only 1 month I could practice, means I could go.
And why so?
After, because yes,
Why
ma'am?
so? Why didn't you extend your dancing classes?
No, just because of coronavirus, it's got shut down.
Okay, okay, that's why.
Only recently I had joined. Means I used to join way back. I wanted to join long time ago, but that time I was little hesitant to join. So
Okay,
recently,
okay.
so I persuaded one of my friends to come and join, come with me. So we together used to go.
Okay.
Just 1 month I had started, but later on it got shut down.
Okay.
So
So
we
which
are
form
now
of
sitting at
dance you
home.
were learning?
Only Nepali dance, Nepali
Okay,
and
Nepali
Bollywood,
dance.
and
Okay.
Nepali plus Bollywood both.
Okay. Okay. So do you watch our Bollywood movies or you are preferring to watch Nepali movies?
I used to watch Bollywood movies when I was a kid, but now I don't watch much. I get bored. I don't know
Okay,
why.
okay.
I don't
So
feel
what
like
is the last
I
Bollywood movie
prefer
you
to watch
watched?
YouTube's like
What is the last Bollywood movie
last.
you
I
watched?
think last. I think I watched. I don't remember, like Tiger's one movie was a Baggy. That was the last, I think. Baghi,
That
Tiger
is of, I
Shroffs.
think, Salman Khan movie. Ek tha
Tiger
Tiger.
Shroffs.
Tiger Shroff. Okay.
No, Tiger Shroff. Yes.
Tiger Shroff.
movie
I
Baghi.
heard Ek tha Tiger.
Mhm. Tiger
Okay. So who is your favorite actor? Bollywood actor?
Bollywood.
Yes.
Uh,
Because I don't know about
Right.
Nepali actors, so I'll ask about Bollywood actor only.
I also know Bollywood actors. I don't know much about Nepali actors. I don't know.
Okay.
Uh,
So who is your favorite actor?
So in Bollywood, I like this Akshay Kumar, Tiger Shroff. I like them. And what about you, ma'am?
I
What is
also
your
like
favorite
Akshay
movie?
Kumar.
Like,
Huh?
he's a very nice human being. I feel. Akshay
Yes,
Kumar.
yes. I like him. I like him a lot. And if we talk about look-wise, then I like Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan, yeah.
Yes, but acting-wise, I like Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
And
So,
what do
when did
ma'am,
you start
nowadays?
your spoken English journey, Sunita?
Spoken. This is the first time I'm speaking to someone.
Okay.
But
you are speaking
English,
so
actually.
well. So you are speaking so well. So how did this idea come in your mind that okay, I will be conversing with the different people on YouTube platform?
No, when I saw your video, right, that time only I had decided. Means I have been wanting this tutor who can teach me. So, but I had a hesitation and I didn't find anybody here. So when I saw your video, that time I thought I must talk to you at least once. I had a lot of hesitation was there, but
Yes.
still I encourage my this.
No, you are speaking
what to
so
say.
well. Actually, see, YouTube is a very great platform to remove our hesitation.
Yes.
You must have seen many other YouTubers' videos also. Nowadays, people have started conversing with each other and they have completely removed their hesitation. And I'm one of them.
Yeah. Okay. But you speak very well.
Yes.
And just to remove hesitation, I have started speaking. Otherwise, I used to read a lot of small storybooks, and I used to watch cartoons also, small easy language cartoon speeches. I used to listen a lot, but speaking part was difficult for me. So
because speaking is quite different from learning and writing and listening.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
And
but you are doing very good. You are using very good sentences, and your annotation is very much fine.
Thank you.
So
in India, I had many. In India, I had many friends who used to speak English, but I used to give them in Hindi. I used to talk with them Hindi, and I had a lot of hesitation and inferiority complex. Like, so in Goa, in Goa, mostly people, they don't know Hindi. They speak English or their mother tongue.
Yes.
But and I had one friend. She used to speak only in English, but I used to talk to her in Hindi. So eventually, what happened? She started talking in Hindi, and and she forgot English like that. So she came ulta, it's the other way around.
Yes. See, it used to happen with me also. Whenever someone started talking to me in English, I used to think, okay, now this is going to be very tough. How I'm going to reply his question or this conversation, how I'm going to enhance this conversation. But yes, now after speaking with the different people, that hesitation has removed at least. But still, I'm finding
I also want
sentences. Still, I am finding difficulty making sentences, but yes, it's helping me a lot.
Sometimes we have that sentence in our mind, still we don't speak out. Maybe because I think it's because of hesitation, because what other people will think, that comes in our mind first.
Yes. These were the main concerns.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And what you do, ma'am, nowadays?
Yes, I am a homemaker, but yes, I have started doing something innovative in my life now. So I'm just waiting for that great moment, then I'll get confirmation from the other side. So once I'll get confirmation, that I'll definitely let you know.
Okay, ma'am, definitely.
Yes,
It is
yes,
something
yes.
related to language only? It is
No, it's
something
related to language. This is entirely different. You can say business. A
Okay,
small kind of startup.
okay.
So I'm just hoping for the good thing to happen.
Okay, best of luck, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Best of
Sunita.
luck, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. So anything else, Sunita, you want to ask, or we should call it for the day?
Okay, ma'am. Right now, nothing is coming in my mind.
It happens. It
Can
happens.
we talk on talk? Can we get a time? Means can we talk sometime later? Means will you
Yes,
be
yes.
available?
Anytime,
And-
anytime. Anytime you can drop me a mail and I'll definitely revert to you.
Okay.
Okay, so it's
Okay,
nice
so
talking to you, Sunita. Thank you so much.
same
Take
here,
care.
ma'am.
Thank you for
Okay,
giving your
you also
precious
take care.
time.